This is Mr. V, and welcome to the video series on graphing linear equations. In this video we are going to cover the table method of drawing a linear equation. So here is my my equation. We've got y equals 2x minus 3. Now in the table method we're going to choose some x values and calculate the y values corresponding to those. So I'm going to start by drawing up a table. So I'm going to put x up the top, y down the bottom. I'm going to draw some lines, and I'm going to pick some x values. Now it doesn't really matter which values you choose. I'm going to choose -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2 because they're easy. So when x is -2, y is going to be 2 times -2 minus 3. 2 times -2 is -4 minus 3 is -7. So when x is -2, y is -7. I'll do that again for x is equal to -1. When x is equal to -1, y is going to be 2 times -1 minus 3. 2 times -1 is -2, minus 3 is -5. So when x is -1, y is going to be -5. And I will repeat that process for every single one of them. And when you do that, you'll find that when x is equal to 0, y is going to equal -3. When x is 1, y is going to be -1. And when x is 2, y will be 1. Now when you find all of your values for your table, we're going to pair up each one of these as a coordinate and then plot it on our graph. So when x is 2, y is -7. So I'm going to find -2 on my x-axis and -7 on my y. And I'm going to put a dot. Same with -1 and -5. So -1, -5, dot. 0, -3. I'm going to find 0 and -3. 1 and -1. And then 2 and 1. Now I've got 5 dots on my graph. What I can now do is grab my ruler, line it up over these dots, and then draw a straight line. And there you have it. This is the graph of the linear equation y equals 2x minus 3.